Hello there, and today I'm going to be drawing a prehistoric animal. Well, another prehistoric animal. I think it's called the Doedicurus. I think that's what it's called. It's a type of glyptodon from South America during the prehistoric times. And as you can see here, I'm using my old sketchbook because I noticed that I left the page out. You know, this is like CR4, and I'm making my hair. And I left a page out, and I'm going to use this page to draw another drawing, do a drawing video. I'm going to draw the Doedicurus, a type of glyptodon. And first, we start off with the head. Right. Got a mess up there. I want to start with the head. And with the ears. Gonna draw. And like, these animals were mostly related to armadillos today. And of course, just like all armadillos, they have like a certain, like a shell-like body. This is a huge shell. Well, if you can call it that. It's probably like keratin, the same thing as your fingernails. Maybe something like that. I'm not sure. Leave it in the comment section if that's the case. If the shells may have like keratin or something like that. And the most bizarre thing about these creatures, they had club tails with spikes on them. These sharp tails. Yep. I kind of drew it fairly quickly because, you know, they have a distinct shape. Yep, the type of glyptodon, the Doedicurus, I think what's called. Yep, and that's it. Do corrections. Yep, about these club tails. I think they're more interesting kind of glyptodon. And they existed during the Ice Age, like during South America. And it didn't really take that much corrections to do because, you know, it's kind of easy to draw. I drew it in another sketchbook. I have a new sketchbook. I have a new sketchbook, by the way. I was going to keep it a secret until, because I wanted to draw something new. I think it's this sketchbook right here. It's a new sketchbook that I got from Walgreens. And I'm not going to show you guys what it is now because I'm going to finish the sketchbook. I was going to plan on finishing it. And then I'm going to show you guys all the drawings I have in this sketchbook. As for now, I'm completely done with this sketchbook. And that's it.